You know, when I reflect over the last couple of years and look at all the questions that people give us here at the Next Bite, one of the most asked questions is, what kind of rods do you guys use, rods and reels? And so I just want to state right out of the chute is that Bass Pro and Cabela's make a wonderful lineup of walleye rods. They're called the Prodigy series, and there's a rod basically for every technique that we use. I'm going to pick two of my favorites today because these rods spend a lot of time in my hands. The first one is my jig stick. This is a Prodigy 6' 3" medium light action. And it's a great jig stick. It's got plenty of backbone for setting hooks. It's got a nice flexible tip for pitching light jigs. I'll use it for jigs anywhere from a 16th ounce all the way up to 3/8 ounce. I couple that with a Johnny Morris Signature Series reel. This is the smallest one that you can get. Overall, the setup's really lightweight. And so this rod spends a lot of time in my hands, especially earlier in the year when I'm pitching jigs. The second rod that I'm going to mention as one of my favorites is the 610 medium extra fast tip. This is more of a heavy duty type rod, not from a standpoint as being a heavy rod, but it handles larger lures like 1 ounce shiver minnows or 3/4 ounce blade baits. It's 610, it's very stiff through the backbone. So if I have a fish that's way out there on a shiver minnow cast, I can get that hook set right in its mouth. But yet when I'm fighting the fish, it's got an extra fast tip. So essentially we really can fight the fish well. I couple this rod with a Johnny Morris Signature Series Titanium size 2000. Basically need to have enough line capacity so you don't want to run down to the end of your spool. So this setup is just about perfect. It's lightweight enough you can cast all day long, and yet it handles those heavy baits quite well. So overall, the Prodigy series is a great lineup, and those are two of my favorites.